Developing a web application using Java typically involves Java Enterprise Edition or Java Spring Framework. Here's a concise guide. Setup environment. Install Java Development Kit and an integrated development environment like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. Learn Java. If you're not familiar with Java, learn its syntax, object-oriented programming principles, and data structures. Select a framework. Choose a Java web framework like Java EE or the Spring Framework. These provide tools for building web applications efficiently. Design your application. Plan the app's architecture, database schema, and user interface using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Write code. Develop your app using Java along with technologies like Java Server Pages for the view and frameworks like Hibernate for database connectivity. Testing. Rigorously test your application to identify and fix issues, ensuring it functions correctly and efficiently. Database integration. Connect your app to a database using Java Persistence API or Spring Data. Create data models and manage database interactions. Security. Implement security measures to protect against common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and cross-site request forgery. Deployment. Host your app on a web server like Apache Tomcat or a Java EE application server. Configure the server and deploy your app. Optimization and scaling. Optimize your app for performance and scalability, especially if you expect increased user traffic. Maintenance and updates. Regularly update your app to add features, fix bugs, and enhance the user experience. Monetization. Explore monetization strategies like ads, premium features, or subscriptions to generate revenue from your web application.